Alright, so welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you a smart way to rank your stories higher in Instagram using hashtags, and hashtags that are not even seen by people, and I will show you exactly what I mean. So if you see here, basically this is a picture that I took from a traveling page. So I'm going to go ahead and write, let's say, hashtag traveling travels. I will also go ahead and write my own name. What else? Let's say fun. Funny. I could also, not really funny, but anyway, like something about travels. Travel. And okay, I think we're fine. You can put actually as many hashtags as you want, and look what I'm going to do right here. So I will choose them all, and then look at that. I will put a red color because the trees behind here are all red. Oops, I did not want to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and make them very, very, very small. This is very sneaky. But anyway, and then I'm going to put it over here, you see, at the top. Oops, maybe over here or somewhere there. Now tell me who is going to see the hashtags. But anyway, the hashtags will be there. It's not actually sneaky, I was just joking before, but basically it ranks higher your photo or your story in Instagram stories. And if I would have these 5 hashtags in full size inside the screen, it would not be like beautiful. It would not be beautiful anyway to the eye. Like if you see it, it would be ugly. So I don't want to do that, because in general I would like to go ahead and, let's say, put one of these in the photo and go like this or something like that, but not 5 hashtags. But with this technique you will actually rank higher your story, so, and you will also get more engagement. More people are going to see your story. If you put like questions over here, this is Greek, but anyway, like the first is questions,